Bengal and Central has not helped as far as COVID is concerned, and earlier also in Cyclone Bulbul.
I'm not going for any controversy now. Yesterday, what you have seen, the disaster, catastrophic, I can't imagine this type of disaster. We have never seen this type of. Everybody of Bengal is saying that earlier in the year 1737, there may be a disaster like this. There, so many persons have been died. This time also, thank God that at least we can save the lakhs of people because of the evacuation. We evacuated about more than 5 lakhs people for our relief center and this flood shelter. But instead of that, right now we have received the information up till now that 72 persons have been died because of the tree fallen and the village, this house damage and for the electrification like short circuit like this, and because the water was mixed up with this electricity also, and so many agricultural field, the other field, it is totally disaster. 7-8 districts is fully damaged, but 4-5 districts I can tell you, it is fully disaster. And there, how to restore the normalcy, how to restore the restoration work, the relief work, that we are planning now. You can watch that. All the department heads, they are sitting here, including the Chief Secretary, Home Secretary and the police, and all the department heads and few ministers who are available in Calcutta. So now we have started our relief and rescue work. And today, all the DMSPs and others, block officials, all they are in the field. They are trying to restore the situation. It will take some time because now also the weather is not that clear. It is cloudy, and not Bengal there will be a rain and there will be a storm also. So we are waiting to see that. But we feel that it's a challenge, no doubt of it. We are facing the 3 type of challenge. Number 1, COVID-19 is going on. So there are doctors, helpers, or health workers, or technicians, or all the officers, including DMSP and all IC and all the municipal workers, panchayat workers, and the from laboratory to health workers, all they are working together. Number 2, the migrants workers are also coming. More than 3-4 lakhs workers already reached in Bengal. So we are sending them to their district also, even the lockdown is going on. So, it is very difficult to maintain sanitization, and we are sending the people. That's a big work, big task. And number 3, the disaster, what we faced yesterday. That is more than Corona. And I feel that at this moment, at this hour of crisis, let us work together to help the people, to extend our full cooperation to the people. Afternoon, Amit sir gave me a ring, phoned me, because all the phone is also down. Even the district, it is totally disconnected. So we cannot talk to the people even. But let us restore this, and he already assured me that they will extend their full help. And I will request the Prime Minister also to visit, have a look, how Sundarban, the Bay of Bengal, it is the border of Bangladesh, and surrounding areas also, how it has been affected. The disaster is disaster. Now the restoration work started, so all the things will clear. But if we can clear the things also, the evidence will prove that it's a big loss. And I will appeal to all the people of Bengal and the countrymen, even my world, my brothers and sisters, and central government, including all the officials and the politicians. Please extend your cooperation and help at this crisis hour. ওই রিপোর্ট তো এখন রিপোর্ট কালেকশন হচ্ছে। যে ভয়াবহ দুর্যোগ হয়েছে এটা কালেক্ট করতে টাইম লাগবে। অল দ্য ইভেন I salute to my officials and the panchayats, municipalities and all block leaders, including MLAs, MPs, all. They are working in the field. It is very